river used to be very clean. 150 years ago, this river was basically an open sewer. People dumped everything and anything into the river. Trash, industrial waste, sewage, and even animal carcasses from the skyscrapers. It was filthy and it stank. And this became a bigger problem as the city grew because the sewage flowed into the river. And the river flowed into Lake Michigan, and that was the source of the city. So there were deaths and illnesses from waterborne diseases like typhoid and cholera. At one point, more than 600 people a day would die on the cholera. So the city knew it needed to do something, but it wasn't sure what. So first, it built a sewer system. They didn't have that. It didn't work. Then they built water intake cliffs farther out into the lake. The idea was farther out in the lake you get cleaner water. But in severe rainstorms, the sewage flowed out past those. And a similar tower building was behind it. Those are two sections of the Boeing building designed by Perkins and Will in 1980. And this building sits over active railroad tracks and is one of those more complicated sites. They couldn't get a foundation under the southwest corner of the lower section of the building. So it essentially hangs from that metal bridge-like structure, which is called a truss system. And that truss system redistributes the weight of the building from that section to the rest of the building, which does sit on a more solid foundation. This building on your left with the modified armchair and throne shape is called 2 North Riverside Plaza, designed by Hobart Roach in 1929. It was one of the first buildings built along the river with a public plaza on the side of the river. It was also one of the first buildings built with air rights over railroad tracks. But since it was one of the early in the development of that, they put the plaza over the railroad tracks and set the building back so it's on a more solid foundation. It was also originally the Chicago Daily News Company, which was one of the major newspapers in Chicago. So, directly in front of the boat, you can see 3 contemporary silver and glass buildings. You see a taller building in the center and a shorter building on either side. And all